So let's talk about the applicant tracking system. There are several pieces of the applicant tracking system. We'll go through a few of them and then you can explore on your own. You're going to go to My Employees and then click on Hiring, which should be toward the bottom in the middle column. And this is where all of your applicant tracking will appear. So this is your dashboard, the main page of applicant tracking. On this page, you can create your job posting. You can see your applicants. You can review your posting to make edits, those types of things. If you wanted to create a new job, you could click on Create New Job. And so now we would give it a job title. You can just make one up. And then you would give it some job duties. I usually just type in some, just a couple so we can. Excellent. And then go down to tags. A tag is what the applicant is going to enter into the search bar on Indeed or Monster that will pull up your job. So you're going to put any tag in there that you think would be appropriate for an applicant for your position. For that one, I would say direct service, direct support, perhaps. What type of clients are they working with? And you can, if you wanted to enter several, you just put a comma and enter more, how many ever you'd like. A lot of these are optional, you'll see on this page. You do have to enter the city and the state, which are already there. And then the keyword detect. That keyword detect is going to be what Prism looks at to determine the qualifications of the candidate that comes in. So how close of a match is this person with what you're looking for? So if you needed maybe a certification or a particular job skill, you could enter that here, maybe, you know, Microsoft Office experience, whatever it is that you think would be appropriate. So then anytime someone with a resume that has Spanish speaking or fluent in Spanish, then it would come up. So if you scroll down, there's a custom fields. If you wanted to create an application rather than requiring resumes, you could do that here. You would build an application here. For this position, probably you can just accept resumes and that would be okay. At the bottom here, you can pick the hiring manager that you prefer. You can assign several people to that. If you have one job in one department and need a hiring manager in that department but need a different one for another job, this is exactly where you would specify that. And then this email confirmation. These are automatic confirmations that are going to go out. So as soon as someone sends the application in, they're going to get a response that says, thank you for sending in your resume. Someone will be reviewing and be in touch with you. So once you get all of those confirmations the way you want them, you would do publish and continue at the bottom. Once you publish, that's just publishing it to Prism. It's not publishing it out on Indeed or anything like that. At this point, then you would go down and select the job board that you want. If you go down about a little bit further, there's a free boards list, and here it is. We won't do it today, but we would click to add, and then it would prompt us to purchase that ad. And at that point, it would go live, and within a couple of hours, you'd be able to see it on the web. So then go back to the dashboard if you go all the way to the top. Anytime you're somewhere else, you can click on dashboard and get back to that main page. And you can see that your job is here. Obviously, no applicants we haven't posted yet. But let me show you how you can personalize the experience of the applicant. First of all, if you click on My Careers page, this is what the applicant is going to see. If you want to add your logo at the top so it doesn't just say your company name, you can add a logo, and I'll show you where to do that. But let's say someone comes to this link and they see the job and they don't really think they fit that job, but they're interested in working for your organization. They'll enter their address, their email address, and anytime you have any new jobs posted, they'll get an email.